Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So as you know guys, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a beautiful Facebook post on different niches. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this service on offline market. You can also go to google.com and search websites according to your niche and contact them and ask them about your services, and they will surely hire you. You can tell them that you can maintain their social media presence or you can maintain their Facebook presence, so they will surely hire you. So in today's video I will teach you how to create Facebook post on quotes niche. So how to create quote post on Facebook in Canva. So let's get towards canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software tool available, and it is very easy and handy to use. It is very easy to learn. If you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section where I upload a complete course, Canva designing course, and after watching the course you will know everything about Canva almost. So I click on create a design and here I search Facebook post. Let's see what result I get. I click on this. After that I choose I made this post from scratch, so I click on black. That's good. After that I go to elements, quotation marks, so I copy the same text. We'll see. And so in this way yeah. So we can also search quote box. Yeah, it's look good. So I think it's look good. Yeah, so I delete the previous ones and so I go to text, add a heading, and here I write my life, my rules. So that's it, our post is ready. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.